Welcome to the Rock Your Class Math Minute, brought to you by me, your host, Etienne, with ideas and strategies taken from and inspired by the #1 best-selling book, Rock Your Class. Get ready for today's Math Minute topic.
Multiplication.
What does the dictionary say?
A mathematical operation, symbolized by AXB, AB, AB, or AB, and signifying, when A and B are positive integers, that A is to be added to itself as many times as there are units in.
Math rap.
Learn multiplication once and you'll find you won't have to learn it multiple times. Multiplication is repeated addition made faster to arrive at the right decision.
Math rap.
Define multiplication in your own words. List times where you have to use multiplication in everyday life. How many times do you think about multiplication? Multiply that number by 2. Divide that number in half. Why is it the same number you started with? Multiply that by 5. What number value do you get? What happens when you multiply 1,000,000,000 times 0? Now it's your turn for some inspection and reflection. You can rewind, rewatch, and pause any part of today's Math Minute. Complete the activity tool, then share your ideas with a partner, in a small group, or with the entire class. Enjoy exploring and discussing today's Rock Your Class Math Minute. May all your math minutes rock!